Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to remove bloatware from your Android device using ADB. If you have unwanted pre-installed apps that you can't uninstall normally, ADB gives you full control to remove them safely. Follow along step by step and let's clean up your device. Step 1. Enable developer options and USB debugging. Before we start, you need to enable USB debugging on your phone. 1. Open Settings on your Android device. 2. Scroll down to About Phone and tap on it. 3. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times to unlock developer mode. 4. Go back to Settings, open Developer Options, and enable USB debugging. Now connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable. Step 2. Install ADB on your PC. If you haven't installed ADB yet, here's how. 1. Open your browser and search for ADB Platform Tools download. 2. Click on the official Android developer website and download the latest version for Windows. 3. Extract the zip file to a folder on your PC. 4. Open that folder. Hold Shift and right-click in an empty space. Then select Open Command Window here or Open PowerShell here. Now you're ready to use ADB. Step 3. Verify ADB connection. To confirm your device is detected, type this command in the terminal, ADB devices. If your phone's serial number appears, you're good to go. If prompted on your phone, allow USB debugging by tapping Always Allow from this computer and then OK. Step 4. Get a list of installed packages. Now, let's see all installed apps on your device. Run this command, ADB shell p packages. This will display all installed packages, including system apps. To find a specific app, you can filter the results like this. ADB shell PM list packages, Findster Facebook. This will show package names related to Facebook, for example. Step 5. Uninstall bloatware. Once you've identified the package name of the app you want to remove, use this command to uninstall it. ADB shell PM uninstall -k-user 0 com.example.bloatware. Replace com.example.bloatware with the actual package name of the app you want to remove. If you're unsure about the package name, you can search online for a list of common bloatware package names for your device. Disable instead of uninstalling, optional. If you don't want to remove an app permanently, but just disable it, use ADB shell PM disable user -user 0 com.example.bloatware. This will prevent the app from running, but you can re-enable it later if needed. Step 7. Reboot your device. After uninstalling or disabling bloatware, restart your phone to apply the changes. ADB Reboot. Once your phone reboots, check your app drawer and you'll see that the unwanted apps are gone. And that's it. Now you know how to remove or disable bloatware on your Android device using ADB. This method frees up storage, improves performance, and gives you more control over your phone. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. See you in the next one.